Well guys, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Winter does not want to let go this year. Now under the trees it's not so much, but out on the roads we've got a couple inches of snow coming down. It's a heavy snow too, and it's going to snow all day, they said. Spring gave us a little bit of a teaser, and winter grabbed it back and got its hold on the land. And here we are. It's peaceful though, it's beautiful and quiet when it snows. The trees are all white, full of snow, heavy. That is how it is. But I'm learning that's how it is up here. We get a longer bit of winter here. So, not a sound to be heard though. It's a peaceful country. It must be a little bit warmer than freezing. Interesting. That or I missed it, maybe the sun was on them because the snow is falling right off those panels. Which surprises me because it's supposed to be 27 or 30 something today. It's not supposed to be above freezing today. So something warmed them up. But that's good. We got power coming in. You can see how much is falling off. Wait, look at that. About an hour and a half later. Does that show up on camera? It's coming down. It's really heavy. We already got a few inches. If I can get out there without messing up my feet, I'll take you out to the back of the greenhouse and show you on the roof. It's pretty thick. Well, actually, right there. It's pretty deep. It's a couple inches already. Hey guys, another day and the ground is again revealed and exposed. Oh, look at that. There's dinosaurs on my land. Whoever said dinosaurs don't exist haven't been to my land, have they? Well, it's coming. Spring is coming. I wish I could have done more video, but there's bugs in the air this time of year and it hit somebody, and so I wasn't around. The other day I started all happy videos, and then we were preoccupied for 2 entire days taking care of that. So sadly, the other day I was home. Well, I would have been home, but I wasn't home. Anyway, solar power, we're not using much today. Keeping it light and easy on the requirements, but the solar panels are exposed again, and all the snow is gone. It's all gone off the panels. It's a wet, rainy, not very nice day. And I just wanted to get out here and share with you why I abruptly ended the other day. I'm not giving too many details because I've learned to not share too many details anymore, but it is what it is. Oddly, there's a lot of talk about dishonesty and me not living here on the property, and I say oddly because all my videos, well, most of my videos when I'm not at work, are here on the property. This is our home. This would be an expensive stage for a video show. Oh, this is our home and this is where we live. This is it. So, oh, it looks like the camper, the camper roof seems to have sagged under the weight of the snow. I'm going to go look at that. I hope that's not as bad as it looks. Hey, shouldn't be. That thing has been around for years. But it looks to me like it has been collapsed and destroyed and we won't have a camper. Well, let me have a look. Well, that is incredibly sad and something I've never ever seen. That's just absolutely unheard of. The camper is destroyed and we were going to get it registered next month. That is sad. We cleaned it up all summer. We redid the roof. A friend came over and actually spent countless hours redoing this roof. This is weird. Look at this. I've never seen such a thing. Look at this. Never have I ever seen a camper collapse. It ripped. Nah, that is just not right. No way. That doesn't seem right. How can that be? It's destroyed. The ceiling is completely and absolutely collapsed in, ripping apart. Ripping it apart. How? These things go through years and years and years and years. That doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense at all. Oops. Our camper is wrecked. Oh, that is really, really disgusting. We've been talking about camping this summer. Boy, that's sad. I was going to get it registered this year. That's depressing. Well, I won't dwell on it too much more. It's gone. I just don't believe it. I've never seen such a thing. Hey guys, it's sort of slushing out. It's a snow, rain, slushy mix. It's going to be snowing again tonight. I guess spring just doesn't want to come to the off-grid homestead this year. And that's what I was worried about. My lovely little peppermint plants, now that they're exposed, are being killed back. So, yeah. So the winter snow kept them safe and alive, and the freezing nights now in the spring is killing them back down. Well, but there's life underneath. It'll come. Out here at the greenhouse, I haven't yet been able to get in. Nope, still frozen down. I can't get in yet. There is life inside the greenhouse. I just can't get to it. I just put a hole in my shoe. Bummer. There is life in there. Look at that. So the greenhouse has helped, and around that, right there, I can't get to it, but I can zoom in and see what it is, eh? There's something growing in there. See? So there's life in here, and up front, there's life. So the greenhouse is holding things up, and the sage up front here is still alive. That was extremely deeply buried under snow. And also that, well, there, you can see the difference. You can see where the snow was and where it wasn't. So the snow did help save the plants. You can see a living path here where the snow saved the plants. Isn't that neat? And the sage was saved. Well, I can't yet get in here, but I can't wait to get in. As soon as I can get the door open, I plan to start gardening, starting seeds and stuff, and finishing up the greenhouse. So I sure hope that the plants make it through the freezing nights that are still coming. We still have freezing at night, about 20 degrees, and sometimes it dips in the teens still, and then freezing or just above freezing days. So soon, very, very soon, I'm going to be able to get in here. Exciting. As soon as I can get in, I'm going to start working it. Well, guys, I'm going to get inside and get this video up to y'all. Get this edited. You'll probably see it in the morning whenever I get to it. So, thanks for watching. It's Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Please like, subscribe, and share. Check out my electronics channel and my tactical channel. I've been busy all over the place recently, if you're interested in any of them. And don't forget to sign up for the free USB battery bank, the Patriot Power Cell, 10,000 milliamp hour. I'll put the link down below. Go over to DIYTube Video Community for a free and anonymous account. The only thing I need is a valid email when you sign up in your account so I can inform the winner. Check it out, guys. Every week we're going to do a giveaway on DIYTube Video Community until we run out of things to give away. So hope to see you all there. Inside my office I've got all kinds of electronics and gadgets going on. On my electronics channel, just for those of you who are interested, I have upgraded and expanded the Bedini motor with the addition of a diode and some wires to now charge not one, but 2 batteries at the very same time without adding much to the power draw on the input side. And you can play with this and expand and expand and expand and keep on adding to your heart's desire, and it's just pretty fun experimentation. So check that out, those of you who are interested.